Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
असले आता मॉन्सून सुरू जावपाचें आसा सो ते खातीर आमी आमचे डेंग्यू किंवा मलेरिया खातीर अवेरनेस प्रोग्राम पणजे आतां आयच्यान सुरू करता. सो महालक्ष्मी देवा कडल्यान आमी आज सुरू करतले आनी एंटायर पणजे हॉटेल्स हे सगळे कवर जातले.
There are lots of cases of malaria and dengue which happened last year. So here for us, we are trying to prevent that so that no more lives, or we try to see that all the cases are reduced this time. In this area, Mahalakshmi temple area खूप cases asa last year. So आम्ही prevent करता. We have cleanliness drives. आम्ही fogging करता आणि we introduce fish in the wells. I mean house to house survey.
Preparedness, we have already organized many drives in the past, but with the efforts of the CCP and with the and with us, we are organizing this source reduction drives. So I request all the citizens of Panjim to kindly cooperate with this.